Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview full-sized inflatable swimming pool. Let go of your works, play in the water with your family and children, release the pressure, and enjoy the life in this inflatable swimming pool. The pool's super tough sidewalls, thick wear-resistant, cold-resistant PVC material provides structural integrity to your pool. Just select a level surface, inflate the pool, fill the pool with water, and you'll be splashing around in no time. Get ready to watch your kids' eyes light up when they see this thickened rectangle above-ground pool set up in your backyard. Product benefits: easy to assemble, no tools. Safety and environmental protection with our PVC material. The bottom inflatable bottom design increases the safety of baby playing in the water. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.